Hey guys, I'm Eric Warren with Eric Warren Artistry and Dropkick Customs. This is Gary Flowers, our shop lead tech and master certified technician. And today we're going to be talking about installing one of our performance series fat tire front fenders. So let's get started. Gary's getting the bike set up so we can do the install on the front fender, but first I want to go over a couple things. Today we're going to be doing our installation for the fender on a lift. You can obviously do it on the floor. We're going to be using a scissor jack. You can use a regular floor jack, you know, that's meant for a motorcycle. But safety always, guys. Make sure your bikes are strapped down if you're doing them on a lift. If you're doing it on a floor, make sure you're doing it safely so you're not getting hurt. We are going to be pulling the front wheel off this motorcycle in order to do this properly, and we want to make sure nobody's getting hurt.
It's basically just be, you know, I always wrap my calipers up so that they don't scratch anything. But we got to take the front wheel out of the bike. All right, now the front wheel's out of the bike. The key to getting these wide tire fenders to go in, here's the trick. Spin your fork legs around. Once you have your fork legs spun around, this will slide right up past everything. Spin your legs back around. Slide the fender down into place and put your bolts in from the inside, button head bolts. Acorn nut, I always put Loctite on these, but for video purposes at this point I'm not. And then reassemble.
It's as simple as that, guys. Put your wheel back on, put your brakes back on, you're ready to go. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I know that was a quick video, but I hope you liked it and hopefully it was helpful for you guys. If you have any other questions about this product or any of our other Dropkick products, reach out to us at 813-515-6607, or you can contact us on our website, dropkickcustoms.com.